Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce app development costs with Firebase, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the significance of reducing app development costs. Firebase is a powerful platform that offers various tools for app development. Begin with creating a Firebase account if you haven't already. Go to the Firebase website and click on Get Started. After signing up, create a new project by selecting Add Project. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your project. Connect your project to Google Analytics for better data insights. Once your project is created, navigate to the Firebase console. Choose the services you need based on your app requirements. Firebase authentication is essential for user management. Implement it by selecting authentication from the left menu. Enable the authentication methods you plan to use. For data storage, choose Cloud Firestore or Firebase Real-Time Database. Both options are cost-effective for managing app data. Next, implement Firebase hosting if your app requires a web presence. This service simplifies hosting and speeds up deployment. Utilize Firebase Cloud functions to run backend code without server management. These functions can help automate various tasks. Consider using Firebase Crashlytics for real-time bug tracking. This will help you identify and fix issues early, reducing costs. Integrate Firebase performance monitoring to assess app performance. Regularly monitor usage and optimize features based on user data. Utilize Firebase Test Lab to test your app on various devices. This can save time and resources in bug fixing. Explore Firebase dynamic links for creating shareable links. This can improve your marketing efforts at a lower cost. Keep an eye on Firebase pricing plans and set budgets within the console. Regularly review your usage to avoid unexpected charges. As you build your app, leverage the extensive Firebase documentation. This resource can provide valuable insights and troubleshooting tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.